Happy Friday! Hope your week went well. Hope your day is going well. And if I had thought about it sooner, I would have scheduled to see if we could have a little Zoom chat. But uh, it's been busy for me this week. I've had a lot of tech challenges with the Google thing in ISU and stuff like that. Anyway, I wanted to make this little video for you because typing it in an email or a text doesn't show inflection. But here's what I've been thinking. So back when I was working for SIF, and I was applying for that AHEC job for director of AHEC, that ended up being a little bait and switch. Anyway, they asked me what kind of leadership that I wanted. And at that time, I told them that I wanted to be autonomous with a mentor, which I was sincere about coming from that setting because I knew that the middle tier of leadership there was a stifling realm and there would be no room for creativity or program development. So that's why I said autonomous with a mentor. And it has worked really well. Autonomous with a mentor worked really well for designing and developing in time. It's worked really well for the other kinds of things that I've developed autonomously on my own since then. But now I think I changed my outlook on that, my perception of that, because I'm really ready to be part of a team. I really want that kind of collaborative community to develop and implement ideas that we think are going to serve our communities for their greatest good, our greatest good. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. And I'm telling you, because you are my current mentor, which I appreciate very much. And also, I'm ready to be a part of a team. Okay. Hope you're having a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.